I love this instant blue light special hot water boiler because it's faster than the microwave, and I just take the lid off the can of soup and put the hot water in the top. The heat rises, so the top of the can stays hot, and you instantly have a hot soup. Oh, and then when you get down to where it's not hot anymore, you have room to put more hot water and more hot water. You just keep repeating that until you're tired of eating soup. And what I'm going to do is put the boiling water in this pan and do grits and pour that on top. But for now, this satisfies my urge. We all know that's the most important thing.